What we're going to do today is going to beat Map I've Got a Feeling by Black Eyed Peas and Reaper. First thing you need to do is click on File, Project Settings, change Time Base to Beats, for Beats Position Only. Click OK. What I'm going to do is going to import the file, Black Eyed Peas. I'm going to drag this down below. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to slice the empty start from here. I'm going to click on take Snap Enabled off and zoom in when the waveform actually starts. Once I've done that, I'm going to highlight this, click delete. I'm going to remove this fade by moving my mouse across, move it out of the way. I'm going to put this to the start. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on View, click on Tempo Envelope. Then I'll create another track and click Insert, click Source. So click Source will make sure that my tempo mapping will be in time. Play this, the actual click track will be out of time with the original. What we're going to do is going to map this so that it actually plays in time with Reaper. To do this, I'm going to click on here to maximize the tempo envelope track. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the magnetic tool. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press Shift, and this will insert points at every bar. So even if I click here, it'll put it there because I've got the snap enabled on. So I'm going to do this for the whole song right to the end. What I'm going to do is the first few bars, but you need to do this for the whole song to have this correctly in time to recreate the whole backing track. What I've done is a few bars of this section of the song. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my mouse up and down on this point. What I want to do is I'm going to have this section here, this line here, in line with this. To do this, I'll click on here and move this up and down until it's line. So that's one's set in tempo, that one's line, this one's a line, this one's a line, and so forth. So you need to adjust this once you've put all those dots across for this project. So I'm going to quickly continue and quickly do this. Make sure it's all on time. So I'm going to adjust this really quickly. You want to have it a little bit more accurate than what I'm doing, so I'm just doing this as a tutorial. But you want to sort of have it zoomed up in on it a little bit more. Just move this across the other way. So these bits are slightly out. Should be lined up, should be lined up, should be lined up. So when I play it, it'll be in time with the click track. And you can hear this one's slightly out, so this is when you sort of need to adjust it to make sure it's in time with the song. So about bar 4 it's slightly drifts out on there. I'll play it again so you can have a listen. So bar 4 will be corrected now. And that's it.